the perfect complement to our growing portfolio and an important driver of our future growth. Powered by a version of the same brand new Aston Martin V6 engine found in the AMRB 003, we wanted to break away from the design and packaging conventions of the rear mid-engine sports car market. Muscular and purposeful in its stance, it is unmistakably another beautiful Aston Martin. I'm also proud to announce with this car the return of the much loved name to the Aston Martin portfolio. Miles and Tobias, our designers, if you'd like to join me. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Aston Martin Vanquish Vision Concept. The Vanquish Vision Concept marks another pivotal moment in Aston Martin's history and another critical step in delivering the second century plan. Designed and conceived in our new Design and Engineering Centre in the UK on the Red Bull Racing campus.